I've been asked a lot, what do they need the most, accountant or bookkeepers? This is something that a big misconception we've been having clients left and right. Our clients always say that, hey, I have a good accountant, so I don't need your service as a bookkeeper. They always feel a tax preparer, a tax professional, accountant, and bookkeeper are all the same. But as a matter of fact, they are all different. It's like you're saying that the doctor, the certified nursing aide, and nurses have the same function. Wrong. I'm telling you right now, there are 87,000 of IRS agent that will be hired on the next months and years. They will be more aggressive in terms of financial statements and documentation or record keeping. What is the main difference, Christopher, of a bookkeeper and an accountant? The main difference is recording transactions. The bookkeeper is doing month to month recording of your transactions, and all those transactions or data from your expenses, your income, your balance statements, from your assets and liabilities, depreciation, amortization. That is the job of the bookkeeper, to do monthly transactions. Depending if you hire them monthly or weekly, it's up to you. The accountant interprets and create budget or forecast based on the data. That's why do not expect them, okay? Do not expect your accountant or your tax professional to sort out your expenses. They will only base it on the summary of your annual statements. So for example, 2020, usually we give them the summary. Do you want us to do your bookkeeping, or you want to give us a summary? And we will just rely on the information that you give to us. Whether it's a tax professional or accountant, if you give us $100,000 of expenses, it is up to you that you have proven records that you can back that up in terms of audit. That is why it's a big misconception. Your accountant and your tax professionals will never be your bookkeeper, vice versa. Again, if you're having more questions and issues with your tax and bookkeeping, if you get audited, we are offering the tax resolution service as well as the bookkeeping, because all for us to win the audit, it all based on the good and accurate record keeping based on the IRS guideline. Again, if you learned something today, please click share and subscribe on our channel, because here in Why Coffee Break, you deserve a break. Stay safe.